What's up again, everybody? Uh, just getting the center diff support and brakes and everything built up here, and I ran into a little problem. And I'm sure a lot of people haven't noticed, but these are the two top pieces of the center diff support with the brakes, where the brake pads would go. And you have one long brake rod, which is for the rear, and one short brake rod, which is for the front. With the long brake rod for the rear, it's no problem. Sits in flush up against the support. You can see here, sits nice and flush. This part where the collar sits, there's a collar that sits here like this. As when the top plate is down, it sits nice and even, and there's no extra pressure on the brake rod. But with the front side and the short brake rod, because this distance is shorter, I don't know why they didn't make up for it. When you insert the short brake rod, you can see it gets stopped by the support, doesn't seat all the way down, and it sits up higher. So when the top plate is bolted down, there's a lot of pressure here and this jams out. So what I've done is, for the front, you can see I filed one down thin, and this is the rear. You can see the top of it. I filed it down thin about halfway. So now when you insert the short brake rod, it seats flush all the way down. The collar is even with the top, so when it's all bolted down, there's no pressure here, and it's still freed up and able to operate. I hope that helps anyone building one of these MP11 kits. Till next time, take care.